Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your bet slip on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, let's look for an event. For example, this Bournemouth match against Fulham. Then I'll take maybe this outcome, double chance of Bournemouth. Then let's say I bet. Let's say I place a bet. Anyways, I've made no deposit, so I can place a bet. Let's say I add this to my slip. I add this to my bet slip. Then once I come back, I go to bet slip. As you can see, I have all these informations about my bet. Once I'll place my bet, well, what will happen is that 1xBet will propose an amount for me to sell my bet, which will be inferior to the amount I deposited. But it's a way to sell your bet and minimize the loss. That was all for this video.